Hey guys, welcome back. Cricket here with another sticker haul. This one is from So Cute Planner. I do have a code for her and it is PRCRI318 for 20% off. And you can also use my name in notes to seller and get a freebie as well. In this order I got today, this was the card that she sent. I love her little cards, her little note cards. So they're perfect for little notes or little dashboard boards or whatever you want to use them for. So I got that, and then she puts in like a cute little envelope, and then this is the freebie that you could get with using my name, Grow Your Dreams Like Flowers. And then this is Darcy's freebie if you use her name. So we each have a card, something like this. Okay, and in this order, I ordered the blueberry planner stickers. They're the clear overlays. Are they not beautiful? These are the star headers and bow headers. Then the dates and scripts. I'm trying to get it where you can really see the pretty colors. And then the icons. And that's blueberry. Love those colors. The second one I got was melon pink. So this is the melon pink. Again, the star headers and the bow headers. The dates and the scripts. Can't talk today, sorry guys. And then the icons. And then the new color is pumpkin orange. Here are the icons. The dates with the scripts. And the star headers and bows. That's one order I've got from her. I have a second order here. Here I got another freebie card. And in this one, let's see what I got in this one. Who I got in this one. This is Miss Mellow here. This was Fall Pumpkins Make Me Happy. This was during the TPC sale. And I got 2 bows with that. And then I ordered the August. And I know I'm doing this late, y'all. I use this one actually for my memory planning, so this is good for me. This is the Erin Condren monthly kit, August Flowers, and it came with 2 more bows. But here is the monthly kit. You've got the month with the dates, and then you get quarter appointment boxes. Then washi, your dates, payday, bill dues, tons of icons, the September down here, and a quarter box. Then you got birthday boxes and appointment boxes, paydays, pay card, pay cell phone, gas, water, credit card, get prescription, pay electric, pay house, and then you have all your scripts at the top from back to school. Little things, important this month, events, bill dues, reminders, appointments, birthdays, and goals. And then you've got your sidebar. So you get a lot in her monthly kits, y'all. A lot. I ordered this sticker. It says, if only sarcasm burned calories. That is the honest to God's truth. Life happens, coffee helps. Again, another truth. Then I ordered these. These are the payday icons. Dust. Trash. Laundry. Scales. And then we're back to the payday. I ordered these date covers, or the date dots with the scripts. This is in the rainbow. Isn't they beautiful? So I'm gonna put that with those. Then I ordered the silver, just date covers, and on the clear. Then the rose gold, in gold. I got another sticker that says, "Don't stress, God's got this." That's the truth. Mellow cleaning. She's got a vacuum cleaner, a duster, a broom and a mop, or a broom and a dustpan, and a brush and a mop bucket. Post-it notes with a little bow in the corner. Mellow eating pizza. And then the dates with the scripts in the silver holographic. Let's take this out so you can actually see it. Isn't that beautiful? Look at there. Gorgeous. And then I have one more. I'm so excited about these. And let me see what I got in this little freebie envelope. I hate tearing Mellow. I hate it, but I want to see. Got another pumpkin, and then different color bows. Then I got these, the Hobo kits. This is your days of the week, your weather trackers, your water trackers, payday, bill due, your icons, but first coffee, movie night, date night, plan time, family time, me time, post-it notes, bow clips, quarter boxes, flags, your full boxes, your 3-heart check boxes, habit trackers, your top washi, and your bottom washi in a bow. So that is this one. Got that one. Then there is this one, all done the same. Then the pumpkin one. So cute. Cannot wait to use these. And they fold up and fit perfectly in your hobo. And then this one. The bow one. This gorgeous one. Is this not beautiful? The wavy rainbow. So pretty. So bright. And then last but not least, this one. And that's everything that I got from So Cute Planner. So don't forget to go check them out. All my information will be down in the description below in my link tree. My PR code will be there also. Don't forget to mention my name so you can get you a freebie. And I hope to see you back here real soon. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that bell. And add yourself to PlannerNina_Cricket on Facebook and on Instagram so you know when my hauls go up, my plan with me's go up, and we can spend some time together. All right, I hope that y'all have an awesome, blessed week, and I hope to see you back here real soon. Talk with you later. Bye-bye.